Today on Photowalks TV, we are in Seal Beach, California. This is the cutest and smallest of all the Southern California beach communities, with a great little main street here, some history, and it's so walkable and so photographable. So come on, let's take a photo walk. Seal Beach is at the tip of the Orange County line and sits directly in between Long Beach, which is the 9th largest city in California, and Huntington Beach, the 23rd largest. Little Seal Beach ranks 422nd in California. That's how small it is. To the south is Newport Beach in San Diego, while Los Angeles' big beaches of Santa Monica and Manhattan Beach are right up the road. Seal Beach has been called the Mayberry of the beach, and with good reason. There are basically just 4 blocks of this cute main street, a vintage railroad car from another era for people to gawk at, a fabulous beach and pier, and great weather conditions that brings out people for kite surfing. Main Street is basically 1 block from the water. Take it all the way to the end, and you'll end up at the pier. Speaking of the water, any visitor is likely to wonder, hey, I'm in Seal Beach. Where are the seals?
They're mostly sea lions, but I don't. There must be around somewhere, right? But sea lions are more prevalent. Yeah, I mean there are seals, but I guess Seal Beach probably sounded better than Sea Lion Beach.
Beyond the beach, there are 3 highlights of Main Street you're going to want to check out. The big one would be Sweet Joe's Bakery with over-the-top delicacies of all stripes. The star attraction are the cinnamon rolls, but I was particularly wowed by the brownie topped by a chocolate chip cookie. The centerpiece of Maine is the old California Seashells shop, which bills itself as the lowest priced shell shop in the United States. Now, I don't know about that, but it sure is fun, nostalgic, and beachy keen. The vintage hardware shop is no Home Depot, but a good old-fashioned classic Main Street staple, the likes of which we just don't see anymore. Finally, it's time to head back to the water. You gotta love the Big Pier, the 2nd oldest wooden pier in California after Ventura. You can get in your steps walking from one end to the other. It'll take you a while, and you will pick up fantastic views of the waterfront from up above. And once you're done, climb down into the sand like I did and get ready for an awesome sunset. Have you checked out the companion episode, How to Shoot Great Travel Photographs, Not Snapshots? We filmed it right here in Seal Beach. For more info on Seal Beach, by the way, check out the blog section of our website, PhotowalksTV.com. I've got a favor to ask, and you know what it is. If you enjoyed this episode, please do me a favor and like, share, comment. If you haven't already, subscribe to Photowalks TV right here on YouTube, and stay tuned because we have more episodes coming your way. I'll see you everyone on the next Photo Walk. Bye-bye.